friend Pam's at the house, and we are doing a photo shoot for House of Valor. I'm super excited to be collabing with her. So yeah, we did more of a party theme, party ready. I'll get Pam to come, you know, speak to you guys about it as soon as the photo shoot is over. I'm really proud of my looks that I did. Everything didn't go quite as planned, but it worked out for the best. Hey guys!
Yeah, there you go.
Welcome to the House of Valor. This is Pamela.
Hello.
AKA Pam. AKA my friend.
Hey.
Wait, so okay, so today I am honored to be collabing with her line, House of Valor. And as you can see, it's a party. It's a party, yes.
Ooh, I
Yeah, we got balloons. We got balloons, y'all. It's okay. It's okay. So I wanted to feature Pam on my YouTube today because she's one of the most hardworking people I know.
Thank you.
You know, like I am. We are hustling young women, you know, out here trying to get it. We went to school together, and it's just nice to see people, you know, living out their dreams
together.
Yes.
Right next to each other.
Well, kinda, because I graduated a semester after I walked stage, but you know, we walked the stage the same day. That's what happened. But yeah, so yeah, talk to me a little bit about your line, Pam.
So House of Valor, oh Lord, don't put me in the spot. House of Valor actually was launched in July. So we are actually relaunching. So that was the theme of today's shoot, was a party to celebrate something new, a rebirth of House of Valor. So House of Valor is a modern vintage. So you'll see a lot of vintage pieces, but a modern look to it. Like if you go on the Instagram, you'll see a lot of the pictures are edited to look vintage, or we use vintage pieces. So you'll see a lot of fur, a lot of glitter, a lot of pearls. So definitely glitter. Yes, glitter and pearls, and a lot of insects and fur. So you'll see stoles and chokers, and we actually have a jean jacket right here.
I'll show you. It's really cute. One of my faves. So
as you can see, there is like a whole lot of glitter and crystals. So I'm super excited about this piece. This is called Majesty, actually.
Handcrafted.
Yes, hand sewn on. Every piece is literally hand sewn on. So a lot of the work that you see is hand sewn. Our t-shirts are hand sewn. The pieces, the appliques, they're all hand sewn.
And this is also Majesty behind her.
No, and this is also Majesty. A great addition for today.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Come on, slide on down.
Ooh.
Come on down to the...
Tell them about your experience today, Wendy, at House of Valor.
So it was awesome. I was a little late, but it was really fun. She did my makeup, Tatyana, and she did amazing. I feel great. I'm not much of a makeup
Show them
person.
your detail, Wendy, because
here.
amazing.
Look at my detail.
Turn to the left. Turn to the right. Slow motion.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Give it to them. You see that red lip? It's everything.
And I don't like red lipstick, and she did a really good job.
Yes. And she had a few donuts and it stayed, so.
No, it really did. She's really awesome. I feel beautiful. I feel like if I wear a lot of makeup, I feel like I look like a man or a drag queen.
No.
But she did a good job. And then it was really fun playing with her products and her stuff. And it was my first time doing the photo shoot, just to be a model in general. So that was a whole unique experience. It's not as easy as it looks.
Yes. It's not. You gotta pose.
She got to be a boss.
You gotta
for
be
the day.
mindful of everything.
You have to be mindful of everything, because I did a little mess up on my lips during the photo shoot that these two had to fix. But that's okay. It was good. You're gonna see. You gotta check out her website, and you're gonna see all the hard work that's been put in and how much fun we had.
Make sure you follow Instagram House of Valor Valor. VALORE.
I'm gonna edit that
And then follow.
Yes, Taty.
in. You can follow me on Instagram at TATY. Taty does makeup. DOESMAKE. Right? UP.
Makeup.
Makeup. It's not a spelling bee, guys. You know how to spell makeup.
We'll put it in the description.
Here.
Right, that bing.
Here it is.
You can follow me if you really want to. It's Wendelina.
Aw, that's so cute.
Instagram.
Wendelina.
But if you ever need anything, like you need some
A model.
from her, a model from me, you can definitely DM me. I'm like, how do you
Email.
Right.
email? Sorry, email.
Keep it professional.
Sorry.
Yeah, DMs are for the creeps. We don't do that.
Oh, I didn't realize that. Email me. I'll put it in my Instagram.
LOL. But yes, so I'm really happy to collab with these two ladies. Are there any things that you want to say, you want to like promote before we go?
Definitely just look for the relaunch of House of Valor.
I also did Pam's makeup, not to cut her
you
off.
did.
Sorry.
Oh yeah.
You see, yes, glitter eyes.
You need to come closer.
Noodlet.
Oh, I need to come
Come
closer.
way close.
Yes.
There we go.
Do it.
Wait, look up a little more. Oh, there we go.
Yes.
Oh my god. So just make sure you look for the relaunch of houseofvalor.com. Make sure you follow our Instagram, and we have something very special for you.
All right. See you guys later.
Bye.
Oh, that's photographer. Come on, Christina. I'm on my video, so like I'm speaking about my collab today.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh well, here, come. So this is Christina. She works with Pam for House of Valor. So what do you do for House of Valor?
I'm in charge of communications and also public relations.
Nice. Yes. She's your girl. If you wanna, have somebody be your marketing director, she knows her stuff. Also, she got us some donuts, and I was really happy about that. So thank you so much for the donuts, because I was really tired. I was really tired, and she said donuts. I was like, donuts.
Can I get behind you?
Yeah, sure.
I just want to use this.
Say hey to my vlog.
Oh.
Say